How's it going? I'm testing the Nothing Phone 2. I'm in my car. Y'all know that I do a bunch of video chats. I do a bunch of video recording in my car because that's when I have a lot of free time, no kids, no pets, nothing. This Nothing Phone 2 at the moment does not support external microphones. Just tried 2 wireless microphones. When I get back home, I will try a wired external microphone, but at the moment, my 2 wireless does not work. The other weird thing is the speaker is very, very low. Check this out. Nothing 2. Right? Check this out. Now look, the volume all the way up, everything all the way up, right? Watch this. I'm gonna play this video. Listen to how quiet. I can barely hear it. I turned everything up. I was like, is the volume down? Listen. It's all the way up. Still playing. It sounds like there's volume coming out of both the earpiece and there's volume coming out down here. However, you can barely hear it. Now, the glyph interface, it makes a bunch of loud noises, but the video does not. Hang on. You see, and hang on. I'm about to. I know I shouldn't be messing with phones when I'm driving, but. All right, now check this out. For comparison, what time is it? For comparison, I got a few minutes. For comparison, check this out. Here's my Pixel, right? Pixel 7 Pro. Watch this. Let's do... Can't do another YouTube video. Do I have a video of myself? That's me making noises. Sorry. Okay, let me hurry. Excuse me. All right, check this out. Let me play a video for y'all. And turn it all the way up. Here's the volume all the way up on the Pixel. Boom, boom, boom. Everything's all the way up, right? All right, check this out. All right, welcome. I'm actually recording on my Pixel right now, and which I normally don't do. However, testing out this new mic down here. It sounds kind of crappy. So very loud. Very loud. In fact, you can hear the speakers are almost blown. Now listen to this. Watch this. I'm gonna record a video right now, right? Watch. Whoa, check this out. I got one even better for you. We'll do the same video, both phones, and see which ones are louder. So I'm on video mode on the Pixel, see at the bottom? And I'm on video mode in the Nothing, right? Video. Okay, now I'm gonna not yell, but I'm gonna make some noise. So just for video's sake, just for testing purposes. I got a few minutes. All right, ready? Go. This is eSIM Studios recording live with the Nothing Phone 2 and the Pixel 7 Pro. It looks like the Nothing Phone 2 speakers suck, but will it work? Maybe. Will the software update fix it? Maybe. Pixel's really good. Samsung, really good. Okay, now let's go back to the playback and let's compare. All right, I'm gonna do the Pixel first, right? Why? Okay, ready? Watch. This is eSIM Studios recording live with the Nothing Phone 2 and the Pixel 7 Pro. Now, let's go to the Nothing phone. And just to let y'all know, I did not turn down the volume, right? Look, the volume, unless I'm missing something, that's how I was going through the settings. Like, is that, okay, so media volume, that's what's supposed to control it all the way up. Yeah, that's a good idea. Yo, what about the ringtones? Okay, so those sound, yeah, it may not be as loud as the Pixel, but, I mean, it's loud, right? I mean, it would pass. Nobody would know the difference if you had a louder phone next to you. Okay, I just wanted to test it because I'm like, maybe the speakers are bad, but I think this is a software issue, if that's the case. If the speakers can get loud changing your ringtone, then a software update and or with the camera app should fix the audio issue in the video camera. But just to make sure, look, media volume was all the way up, right? So let's go back to the video. And now hang on. Just to remind you, I gotta go, but let's see. Just to remind you, recording the Pixel live with the Nothing Phone 2 and the Pixel. Here's the Nothing Phone 2. Route volume all the way up. Make sure everybody see. This is eSIM Studios. Sounds better. Recording live with the Nothing Phone 2 and the Pixel 7 Pro. It looks like the Nothing Phone 2. Okay, so here's the issue. Now that's a surprise, but check this out. I think I found the issue. Okay, so let me turn. Oh wait, I still need that. Duh. Check this out. I have an external mic. I got one hooked up through my Samsung that I'm using right now. But I think the issue is with external mics, because that one was recording with no external mic hooked up. Now let me record a video with the external mic hooked up. Now there's no options in the settings to enable an external microphone. It's just, there are no settings. So I want you to sign in, whatever. Now let me pair this little microphone. Okay, see the green light? So it's paired with this, with the receiver, this transmitter receiving, and then it's supposed to go into the phone. Now listen, when I record videos with this, it'll be very soft. Because when I recorded video just this last second without the external microphone, it was fine. Watch. Okay, let's go back to record a video. Shit, I gotta go. Okay, let me do this while I'm driving. So, video record, right? Video record, volume is will be all the way up. Okay, ready? eSIM Studios here. Well, it would help to have a microphone. eSIM Studios here, recording a test with the Nothing Phone 2 while I drive. I am somewhat Evel Knievel at the moment. I try not to be, but every now and then technology calls, YouTube calls, and this is one of the time. Bye. Okay, so let me pull this out because the volume without the external mic was fine. I'm trying to catch Chick-fil-A before they close. All right, check this out. I got 3 minutes left, so hang on. Let's play this real quick, and then I'll order my food. Ready? Okay, so volume. Oh, shit. All the way up. There's my ugly face. All right, ready?
eSIM Studios here.
Wait, was that the old one?
It would help that. eSIM Studios here. Well, it would help to have the microphone.
Nope, that's the normal recording.
eSIM Studios here.
Maybe it was a one-off.
Test with the Nothing Phone 2 while I drive.
Maybe it was a one-off because I showed y'all about 5 minutes ago that the volume was very low. So I'm going to continue to test this thing out. I'm going to run it through the ringer as far as tests and let y'all know what's going on. Maybe it was a glitch. I literally just unboxed it like an hour ago, so I haven't even signed into the device. Not that that matters with video recording, but you know, whatever. All the apps I just updated, but I have not restarted the device. So let me restart the device, and all the apps are updated. I did do the software update, so the software update and all the apps on the device are good. So I'm going to test it some more, and we'll bring you the results. Subscribe. I got a ton of stuff coming. Peace.